Can you see my browser? Please, I need respond.
Yes.
Okay. Specifically, I'm talking to Tosin and Martins. Please, I will need your respond though. So go to github.com,
All right, sir.
or your system. Go to github.com or your system. You have something like this. All right. So what you do, because you don't have an account, you have to click on sign up.
GitHub.com. GitHub.
So you have to feed this information that you have here. Your email address. Please ensure you are using your active email address. Your password. You pass your username here. Then your country, region. Then you pass your. This one now they fill it for me just like a sample, but I'm not doing it. So when you are done with this, you click on continue. Okay. So username only may only contain what, so this one is not allowed. So please fill in and sign up. Fill in and sign up. So me, I already have an account, so I have to sign in. All right. Should I continue with the class? Martins, EJ, Tosin. Should I continue with the class? Then you create your account later. Hello.
Hello, sir. I can't hear you clearly.
But I
Hello,
can
sir.
I can hear you very clear now.
Your voice was fainting earlier.
Okay.
You said, what was your question, please?
I said, should I continue with the class, then you create your GitHub account later, or I should wait for you to create your GitHub account?
Oh, no problem. You continue with the class.
Tosin, you are not seeing anything, no. EJ, Alpha is your own. Have you checked it? Do you have access to it now?
Yeah, I've already logged in.
Okay, good,
Hello.
good, good. So this is my own GitHub account, okay? The important of GitHub is for you to have code management. You can see that these are my work that I've done, okay? On any app I build, I always put them on GitHub. And the importance of GitHub is, as a programmer or a software developer, it is easy for you to get a job, okay? Because the community today right now is, they want to see your GitHub account and they want to be able to see, okay, let's see what you have built and in time past. You can see that this Data Pro airline app, this was built with Python. All right, somebody came there and checked it, and he now messaged me and asked me, okay, what's the app all about? So can I do one or two things with them and stuff like that? It's just that the negotiation did not go well. That's why I did not accept that offer them. Then another advantage of GitHub is that you will be seeing fellow programmers, people that are better than you, are better than what you do, okay, that are doing very well with a good number of years of experience in the programming language that you are actually having issue or challenge with. You can see my mentor on this platform is the Codoleak. This guy is very good in JavaScript. He's also good in PHP. He's also good in Python. Okay, so I followed him. That's the only person I do follow, and the other person I followed again is um, this guy that when he's writing code, you don't have error in his code. Okay, I follow CodeMon. There are a lot of them. Another thing again, let's assume that um you are building an application and you want to get. Please, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, you are building an application, but you want a foundation for your application that you are building. All right, and you don't want to do some kind of UI by yourself. You want to get already made UI, then edit the code. Okay, so you can actually search. For example, now you are looking for an application that is built with Python. Let's say you are looking for an hotel management system with Python using Ticking Town. Just type the name of the application here. Hotel management app with Python using Ticking Town and SQLite. Okay, so you press enter. If somebody have worked on that kind of code, you will see there. So you can see that we have this person have worked on the code. This hotel management system is a Python app that simplifies the management of room reservation with a clean ticketer interface. So you can click on it to check what the person has. Now the reason why I'm bringing this sample for you guys is because you have knowledge of Python and using that Ticking Town module. So for you that have a knowledge of Java, all right, you can just go there and search for a Java application. Now we are not saying that because the programmers here, most of them here, they will put error in the code. They will remove some certain functionality of the application or purposely put an error in the code. So it means that you have to have a background knowledge of the programming language before you come here to get any assistance from your GitHub. All right, so there are two things that GitHub is doing. Number one, you can store your code here, and number two, you can get access to code and lay a foundation, build upon it on your own. So now the reason why I brought us here is because we want to send our own application to this platform. And how you manage your platform. How I was able to bring out this code. You can see now, if peradventure now my system crash, I don't have access to, or they stole my laptop, my hard disk have issue, all my code are still saved here. I can always come here and get access to my code and make use of them and do whatever I want to do. Is that okay? So GitHub or Git fall under DevOps. I don't know if you have heard about DevOps. So it's also fall under DevOps, whereby you have to know how to connect from a local system to a cloud. Like now, this is a cloud environment. So the question now is, how do you bring your code that is on your local machine and deploy it into this cloud environment? All right, so that's what we want to quickly look at now. Are we okay? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Martins and Tosin, you just have to follow us. Then EJ, both of us, we are going to go to the route together since you already have access to your GitHub. Presently,
Tosin is not online though.
he has gone online. He was there before, so he will get access to the video. So EJ, we are going to go through it together. On your dashboard, do you have any code on your dashboard right now? Have you brought any code here? Can you hear me? Hello.
I can hear you. I think there's no code on my dashboard.
All right. Can you screenshot your own and drop on the platform? Let's see, so I can check it there.
Okay, you want to my dashboard?
Yes, your dashboard. This is my own that you're seeing. Can you screenshot your own? Let me see what you have there. So just drop it the way I dropped that. Okay. All right. Great. Now, if you notice something, lest I forget, I can see that your own is showing main. Okay. I can see main that your own is showing on top there. So please do this for me. Click on this icon here. Can you see my mouse? Click on this your icon here. Are you there? Then you click on settings. By your right hand side, you see Your own now, you may not have your picture there, but my own, your own should be showing avatar also. You can see that my own is having my picture there by your right hand
Okay.
side. So click on it, then you click on settings. Click on settings. Are you there?
Mm. Yes.
All right. Click on settings. Now, by your left hand side now, please can you go to by your left hand side? You will see repositories. You see repositories.
Oh, yeah,
All right. Click on the repositories.
I've done that.
Now, on top here, you can see after your repository default branch, after whatever the your own should be showing main. Is it showing main?
Yes.
Main. So please change it, turn it to master. Then when you turn it to master, you now click
Am I
on the
am I
update.
am I going to type it? Am I going to type the master? Or
Yes, type it. Delete the previous one there, then change it to master, then click on update.
I've done that.
Alright, you are now on master now. Now the question is, why are you turning it from main to what to master? Now this GitHub, the configuration for master is more easier and friendly, straightforward compared to the configuration for main. In main, you have to be bringing something they call private key, public key, and all of these security measure before your code will virtually come to cloud. Okay, and the master, you don't need all of that. You just publish your code when you want to publish your code. Okay, so the code we are going to publish, I won't want to publish that my Python code because I already have airline flights on this my GitHub. I don't want it to be too much there. I'm going to look for another application. Okay, then I'll publish the code on the GitHub. Is that okay by us?
Okay.
All right. Let me use this one. This one is actually a JavaScript application. Let me, so you open your code. Please open your code with your Visual Basic, Visual Studio. Open your code with your Visual Studio. Like what's his name? EJ, you can use your Python, that Python code, that application that we built. That application that will be, we still need to, if time permit me today, I will still need to tell you how to convert it to exe. But please, let's just follow up the way it is. Please, can I continue?
I should I'll open my VS Code.
Open that your airline application, the folder. Open it. Please, it's folder, don't not a file. Folder. Like I can see my own now. Saint Savior, that's the folder.
Not the file.
Not the file, the folder.
But I'm on the folder already now.
Can you screenshot your VS Code environment? Please just capture everywhere. Let me see. And drop it on the WhatsApp platform, please. All right. Okay. Your folder name is GUI. Okay. That's the name of your folder.
Yes.
All right. So another thing we need to do again, go to your Chrome, download this.
I'm not. I'm using Edge.
Open your Edge, download Git Bash, download Git Bash, download Git Bash. So what is Git Bash? You see this here, where you see something like this one, that's what you will click, but you have to look for the exe. The exe, that's the one that have a setup that you install it. So let me see if I can have something like this. Git Bash. So the URL is git-smcm.com/downloads. This is the URL. So download Git Bash. I'm dropping it on the WhatsApp platform too. Now, if you are using Mac OS, you know you are going to pick Mac. If you are using Windows, you know you are going to pick Windows. If you are using Linux or Unix, you know you are going to pick this. Okay, so I'm actually using Windows, so I pick for Windows. Now you see what they have here. They said portable standalone installation. This is what you have to go for. We have the standalone installation, Windows setup. So we are going to be using 64-bit Git for Windows setup. Are we together? Hello?
We are not together.
Yes, sir.
Did you
We are
click?
together.
Did you click on this link I
Okay,
dropped?
okay. 64 gig
64.
for Windows
Yeah,
setup.
exactly. So click on it. That's what you would download. I don't need to download it. I don't even know if I have it because it's Office system that I have my Git. But I will have to install it here too. So download it. When you finish downloading, like my own, the download is complete now. It will be available for me on the download folder. So I have to go to my download folder. So I think it should be part of one of the applications I should be having here. So this is it here. This is what I just downloaded. So I will install it. Now, why are you installing Git? Why are you installing Git? Now, you are installing Git because you want to use Git code. Okay, you want to make use of Git code because Git has its own code, just like you guys are doing cyber security or what they call it, and networking. All those your place you write your code like command prompts, like PowerShell. So you want to use this is just like a terminal for you to be able to write your code, and this time around it enables you to link between the local machine and the cloud machine. So you are interacting with the cloud machine from your local machine. So that's the essence of Git Bash. EJ, hope you are installing yours.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm not launching it. I'll just click on finish. All right, I don't want to have any business here. Now the next question is, now that I've installed my Git Bash, how do I make use of my Git Bash? Let me just upload the Python code, please. Sorry. NHS, because there are some things we did on that code that is unique, so that in case I want to do something like that, I will just go there and get my code back. So let me just upload this. Are we together?
Yes.
Is your own completely installed now?
Yes.
All right, so the next thing we'll do now, go back to your browser. This this place here. Okay, your GitHub that you opened, that your dashboard. Go back to your dashboard. Are you there? EJ, are you there?
Yes.
All right, now you will not see new, you will see create repository. True or false? Are you with me?
Yeah, I'm here.
You will not see new because this is your the first file that you are bringing to your Git account. You will see create repository on your dashboard. Did you see anything like that?
Is it not that one we changed to my repository? We still showing main. I've already updated to master, but it's showing main.
Showing main. Can I see your? Can I
Okay,
see your?
I'm still under setting. Oh,
No. Click on this icon here. Can you see my cursor? If you see my
where's
cursor,
it?
my cursor
The
is on.
dashboard.
Yeah, it's on the avatar. Click on it. It will take you to the dashboard back.
Okay. Yeah.
Did you see create
Okay.
repository?
Top repository, but I'm seeing new now. I'm seeing top repository new.
New. Okay. So click on it. It will bring you to something like this. Create a new repository.
Yeah.
All right. Now it's looking for the repository name. All right. So pass the name of the application that you are send it to the cloud. I'll call it airline viewer 2. So because I have others here. So look at it now. They are saying that they already have airline new, airline v2 there, but you can look for name that you put on that will make it unique. So this is available. This is also what available. It's just like you are buying a domain name. If your domain name is available, they will tell you it's available. That means if nobody have gotten it before. But if somebody have gotten it, they will tell you that it's not available. Okay, so airline what v2. This v means what version for me because I have another one there before. Now under here you see description, and they told you it's optional. It means that you can put a description or you may not decide to put a description. I can just say this application is for airline management version what v2. All right, but it's optional. Then for EJ that was talking about people copying your code when you drop it on GitHub, you can see that they have option for public and they also have option for private. Do you understand? Now most of this organization code that you don't have access to, all those company code, they are private. Okay, but if you want to as in you want to give back to the society, give back to the community of coding, for people that are still learning, for them to come and still learn from your own experience, you make it public. Okay, because even the search that I make just now is somebody that built that application, wrote that code and make it public. If it's not public, you cannot search it out. It will not be what's available for you. So please make it, check it public. Now you can see the next stage, initialize this repository, add a readme file. Now if you see some application, you will see that they will put a readme file, and that readme file will tell you how the application is to be what installed, how the application is to be used. Do you get it? The variables that the application do not want to what to will not work with, you see them on the readme file. And the readme file is also what optional. All right, it is also optional. So you can allow it to check for them to upload a readme file, but you can also what leave it what blank. Now, any code that is placed on GitHub, if you go to GitHub and download any code, you will see this guy called git ignore. All right, git what ignore. Git ignore is just the template, okay, that the GitHub what used to operate. You can see that you have different templates for AL, for ADA, for what they call it, different kind of programming language, C++, Cake PHP and stuff like that. All right, but normally now you're supposed to pick your words, pick Python. Yeah,
Hello?
are we together?
Hello?
So hello. So you are supposed to pick what Python there. Then when you are done with all of this, you click on create repository. EJ, I want to know if you are with me. Hello.
See, I'm on call. I'm on call.
Tosin, are you with me? Tosin.
Yes, sir. I'm with you. I'm just downloading this thing because network is not good in my area.
Okay, okay.
It's raining.
Let me even drop it on the WhatsApp platform. But you pay my data. Is EJ? EJ have been very, very benevolent for us in this class. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. So I'm dropping
EJ.
the exe file for you, for those of you that want to download it, so that you don't need to go to that URL. Just download it directly from here.